Hey girls, I'm back with another video. I hope you're all doing incredibly well today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brittany. I create clothing, fashion haul videos here on YouTube. You can also find me over on Instagram where I share a little bit more daily life. My husband and I moved out to Southern California, so I share lots out here. It's so beautiful, but yeah, I share a lot more outfit inspiration over there, as well as I'm new on TikTok, so if you guys can follow me over there, that would be great. I'd love for you guys to join in the fun here too on YouTube. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit subscribe. I have so much good content coming. I mean, I feel like every week I share good things, but I am really excited. Moving into the Nordstrom anniversary sale is coming up, and then just a couple different hauls that I'm really excited about that I haven't shopped from before or a lot of requests are for, so I'm excited to get into that content with you guys, create that content and share it with you guys. In today's video, I'm sharing a Walmart summer clothing haul. This is the first time I've shopped from Walmart for clothes. I have been seeing it everywhere on Instagram and TikTok, and I'm like, is it really worth the hype? I mean, I feel like I see like a ton of girls like posting about it, and my one friend Sevilla is like, no Britt, like the product is actually really good, full on reinvented themselves. And listen, Abercrombie reinvented themselves, and I am the biggest Abercrombie fan in the world, I feel like. Let me know if you guys want a full haul, because I feel like I keep sprinkling in some pieces, but if you want a full haul, let me know. Anyways, back to Walmart. Yeah, just really pleasantly surprised and really pleasantly pleased with the materials and the fabric, the quality. So I'm so excited to share it with you girls. Let's get right into it. Okay, the first item I want to get into immediately is this dress. This dress comes in several different colors and prints. I'm gonna actually share another print here shortly, but honestly, you know, like, I don't know if you guys have shopped from Walmart like years ago, and I just would expect this to kind of feel like crinkly and cheap, and honestly, not the case at all. I mean, like, literally not at all. It is such a nice material, like a really nice cotton material. I feel like this is like definitely like the material you could find in some, like a dress from Abercrombie that's like $100 and some. This dress is $40, and I think it is like an amazing price for how it fits and how it feels. Has this bow back detail. You can adjust this so completely tight. It kind of pulls in, cinches in a little bit, so that's really nice. I love that. And then the bottom has like a ruffle and like pleating material, so just more material. And I just love it because I feel like if you're on vacation at the beach chasing kids, like you're out all day, like you don't have to worry about like a dress like this dress kind of flying up like with wind, or just like bending over with the dog. Like I feel like I think about stuff like that being at the beach and having a dog, and it's nice that this kind of weight will definitely keep the dress down, so you just don't even have to worry about it. I think this print is absolutely beautiful. It's kind of like a retro 70s kind of print. Of course, you can style it with sandals, wedges, even like sneakers. I think it's just like super versatile for the rest of the summer, and then moving into fall, just throw a jean jacket on over it or a cardigan. I think it's just really, really cute. Such a good price and amazing fit. Okay, and then we kind of have like a more of a basic item, but I picked up this little sweater material tank. This is a size medium. It's only $20. And it feels kind of like the Petal and Pup one that I shared with you guys a couple months ago, which I believe that one's like $80. So just like a really good price point for this kind of a tank. I feel like you can just obviously wear this so many different ways, especially into the office. This could very well be your like your basic go-to. Throw a blazer on, a jacket, a cardigan. It's just really nice. Now I feel like this weight is perfect for summer if you're in the air conditioning, or if you're someone that's like chilly at restaurants. This isn't too heavy, but it's like a nice weight to just kind of keep you a little bit warmer. Obviously, beyond versatile, pair it with jeans and sneakers, jeans and little wedges, jeans and sandals. I mean, I feel like a good white tank and some blue jeans you can't go wrong with. The jeans that I wore here are from Abercrombie, of course. If you guys have been following, you know I love Abercrombie jeans. So this is the Abercrombie, the 90 straight ultra high rise curved love jeans. I did get them in my usual size 28-6, and I got them in a long just because I do like cuffing them, but sometimes I just get the regular length as well. Just is really preference on how you feel like you're gonna wear them the most. I am 5'5" for reference, and my measurements are down below. But yeah, then I restyled this tank with the striped shorts from Abercrombie as well as the striped shirt. I just think that set's really cute. Again, you can wear that in a very casual way with sandals and like a straw bag, and then pair it with the shirt and a belt and little heels, and you just really dress it up. The ways that you can use a tank like this or style a tank like this is obviously just like limitless. So many options with this. Such a versatile tank. A little bit of a racer back, but nothing like too crazy. And I think this will just be a really good wardrobe staple at $20. Comes in several colors. I don't think you can beat it. I want to quickly mention the two Abercrombie striped pieces that I just shared. I did get a large in both of them. In the shorts, that's very common for me. I typically size up. I just like a little bit of added length. It is a little bit big in the waist, but nothing too crazy. It doesn't really bother me. And then the shirt, I just love these kind of shirts. I like them oversized, so I typically size up. This one I got a size large in, just love it. This comes in like maybe 7 or 8 different prints and patterns, but this is just so cute to wear together or separately. This even over jeans and like the tank top would be super cute. And then of course you saw this just over the tank top, just to style it in a more casual way, but have been really loving both of these pieces too. Okay, and then next I want to share this dress. So this is kind of like the dress version of the tank top that I just styled. Also got in a size medium. It's in this beautiful marigold gold color. This dress does come in several colors in case this one isn't for you, but I did get it in a size medium. I love how it fits. It's longer in length. Again, just like a really nice material. I did throw on my Spanx underneath this dress. I love those. Those are the ones that I got in the Nordstrom anniversary sale from last year. Stay tuned for all of my Nordstrom anniversary sale pics. I will be sharing that shortly, as you can preview the catalog starting the 29th. So the time this goes up, you can already preview. So be sure to have a look and keep checking back here. I will be creating tons of content around the sale. I'm so excited for it. It's like literally so much fun every year shopping it and sharing it with you girls. But anyways, thought this was really cute. Of course, you can wear this now, a really nice weight, not too heavy, not too thin or anything like that. Just like a really nice material for a dress. And then I feel like to restyle moving into fall, you could obviously throw on a jean jacket with this, even a cardigan and some booties. I just think this is like a really great wardrobe staple as well. And then of course, you know, if you're wearing it into the office, I would just throw a blazer on top of this and some little heels, and that's a great look too. Okay, and then I've been on the hunt for some white pants because you girls know I've been wearing the Abercrombie ones 24/7. They've been sold out. They've come back, they haven't, you know, like whatever. It's been a back and forth gamble. So I'm trying to find other pants for you girls because I know I style a lot of outfits like that. They've kind of been my go-to for the season. Anyways, picked up this pair, $20, you guys. Also comes in red and I believe navy or black. Not exactly the same, but $20. I think it's like a really nice pair of pants for $20. Now I did size up. I ordered the medium and the large. The medium does fit me. They're just a little bit snug in my like lower cheek of my butt, and I feel like with these kind of pants, I would style them more casually, so I just want them to fit like a little bit looser. So I also have picked up the large, and that's what I'm wearing here in this clip. You can see a little bit of the pocket, so it's not like the thickest white material if it doesn't bother you, and I feel like if you wear it in a more casual way, it doesn't bother me. So I kind of feel like these are more on the casual side. If you got the two other colors, I bet you could kind of like wear them like in a more appropriate way for work. But yeah, I styled this with obviously that crop little tank top that I've shared with you girls a couple times. I just picked those up from Urban Outfitters and Free People. They're around $20 each. I love styling those with sweatpants or even like just little pants like that. But yeah, styled in a really casual way. I do really like these. I think these are cute to just pull up over your swimsuit too and wear your swimsuit top. So I do feel like they're a good pant for $20. I just don't think the white I would wear into the office. Now, if you style it with a long blazer, maybe you can get away with it. I mean, you can see kind of like when I threw on this oversized shirt from Aerie, this one I did get a size medium in because I feel like Aerie runs a little bit big, so stuck with a medium for it. But when I threw this on over it, you can see like, I don't feel like you can notice the pockets as much, but again, I feel like this is just more, like a more casual way of styling it, so I'm not sure if you could really wear these into the office, maybe on like a casual Friday or something. But I definitely think if you're more so thinking about wearing these for work, I would just go ahead and snag one of the other colors because I just think white can sometimes be tough, and this is definitely a little see-through to the pockets. Okay, I want to pause for a moment just to say, like, I feel like the glow on my skin is just, I've been so happy with it. I do think it's these three products. I know I've shared it before and I kind of had a line on my forehead. Unfortunately, I feel like the camera can pick up things that you can't see in person. So yes, I have been trying to put it further up. You know, when I blend this in, you just put these little tanning drops in your moisturizer, blend it in all over. And then the other two products I've been using is this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, and I just honestly mixed the two together. This is the It Cosmetics CC Illumination Cream. It has an SPF 50, which I love, and then this is in the shade Neutral Medium. The Charlotte Tilbury is Fair 3. This comes in several colors, but I just like mixing it together. I feel like it just gives like a subtle glow, and I have a new lip combination that I've been using, this pinkish color, and so I will link all those details down below in the description box. Okay, the next item I want to share in this Walmart summer clothing haul is this little peplum top. I think this top is so cute. I'm wearing a size medium in this. It's by the Sofia Vergara jean line. I believe this top is $26, and I think the quality definitely warrants that price. I mean, this is an eyelet material, but it's just like a super nice cotton material. There's ruching here in the back, so it gives like a nice snug fit to your body, which is always nice, especially when you have this peplum detailing, because you want it to be tight and then flare out. And then the straps here, they're completely adjustable. You can untie them and tie them to fit, you know, your shoulders. So I love that. I think this looks really cute. Paired it with skinny jeans. Haven't worn something like this in a long time, so I put it on and I was like, oh wow, I haven't like worn a peplum top in forever, but I do think it's just absolutely adorable. So cute. Now, wearing it into the office, I think you could just pair this with some like skinnier slacks, any color, really, navy, pink, I mean really any color, and then you could throw on like a little blazer or jacket on top, or even like a little cardigan. I think this is just really cute however you style it, you know, for headed into the office or for like a lunch date. Even with this with jean shorts and sandals would be really cute too. Okay, and then the last item in this haul I wanted to share is this print version. So this is the same dress that I shared, the first dress that I shared, that green floral print. I just thought this was the cutest color combination for summer. I love an orange and pink moment, and this obviously has it, especially with the gingham. I think it is just so cute. Now again, this has the bow tie, so it definitely is adjustable and kind of pulls you in through your torso and your chest area, so that's nice. And then this has a ruching too, which is just awesome, because when you have this tiny little cutout, it's just nice to have this, so you know like it's not going to be too low. It just, you know, stays snug to your body. So I absolutely love that. I think this is really cute, styled casually or dress it up. Such a good summer dress. Okay girls, that's it for my Walmart summer clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, first time shopping. I was pleasantly surprised, pleasantly pleased with the materials and the fit of everything. Everything is linked down below in the description box. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. I'm close to hitting 3,000 subscribers. Would love for you to join in. I have so much fun content planned, especially around the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I know you'll start hearing about that. If you haven't, it's just honestly amazing that Nordstrom brings in select items at a good discount headed into the fall season. It's just awesome because you can get really good prices on items that you need later in the season. So I have lots prepared for that. I'm so excited to share it with you girls. On my list, I always have booties, Spanx, Spanx by leather leggings, maybe a sweater or two and a coat, beauty items, some home items. I just always have so much to share with you girls, and I love this time of the year. So stay tuned for that. It's coming up in the next like week and a half. It's crazy. But yes, I do hope you enjoyed today's Walmart haul, and I would love to hear what you guys want to see next. I do want to mix in other hauls within the Nordstrom anniversary sale, so it's just not a Nordstrom takeover. So I would love to get your guys' feedback on that. But yes, I'm so excited to share with that. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope to see you really soon in my next one.